Isang mapagpalang araw ang naganap dahil nga CCRA Diocesan Anniversary. Yan, biyahe kami. Biyahe papuntang Compostela to join the celebration of the 52nd anniversary of Catholic Charismatic Renewal Apostolate. Yan yung sinakyan namin papunta doon. At ang lamig kasi nga mahangin, and stop over para mag-relax konti. Mahirap magbiyahe ng ganyan.
Hi guys!
Sakit ng katawan ko. But then, thanks God for the safe travel day. Yan, tingnan nyo mga mukha nung papunta pa lang. And then, wow, we arrived with that praise and worship, the joyful song. To God be the glory. As we get the Spirit, the Holy Spirit, that always guide and protect us. And of course, every diocesan anniversary, mag-elect ng new set of officers. Diocesan coordinator. Yeah, yan yung mga bagong officers with our priest director, Father Benji. And then, yeah, biyaheng pauwi to Davao de Oro. At medyo madilim na. Kasi matagal na tapos yung celebration. So, naabutan ng gabi sa daan. Look at that nice sky. Buti hindi umulan nung biyahe namin pauwi. Very nice. And flex ko na lang din yung night view with the moon and the star. Very romantic. Thank you for watching, everyone.